Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, first of all, we take a look at the bullish scenario, the updated Elliott Wave count. First things first, there is no there is no change, but we just continue the count. So I don't have to make any changes to the count. We're currently following this process. We're following this current wave count and the scenario is playing out. We are, however, at a key decision point here that I'm going to show you in a minute. So we start here with Bitcoin at the low at 17,600. We moved up in a 1, we came down in a 2, and we're currently, as per this count, move up in a 3. In a 3, this is oftentimes the most bullish wave or bearish in a downtrend. In this case, it would be bullish. And within this wave, we obviously have a lot of subwaves. Within this wave 3, we have here completed a wave 1 in yellow. And we also have probably completed the wave 2 in yellow. Yeah, you can see that the wave 1 itself has 5 waves. And then after completed wave 2, we've started a wave 3 in yellow, which is the wave 3 of the wave 3. In this wave 3, it looks like we've completed a wave 1 and the wave 2. You can clearly see an A, B, C. Yeah, and this, in my opinion, is what I showed you yesterday, can be classed as an ending diagonal. It's also what I posted in the Telegram's signals group for the channel members, that after you see an ending diagonal, a good signal that the ending diagonal is finished, in this case then the wave C and the wave 2, is a swift and short but strong move into the other direction. And that happened here with this candle. So it's a good indication that indeed this ABC is over and we need to be on the lookout for higher prices. I think best indication for that this is happening actually is a move above 23.3k, and evidence for that would then be obtained above, well, first of all, the wave 1 high, 23.8k. I think this is an important level. And then the wave B anyway, it's the breakout point, 24.3k. Should we lose the wave C here at 22.3k, then I think another scenario is coming into force here, still a bullish one, but this would be exactly the scenario that I showed you on the ADA chart yesterday, and I believe the day before, and I made you aware of that scenario before anyway, so I made you aware that there were two possibilities for ADA, and I think now we know which one is playing out. And for Bitcoin, that would mean I would have to change a few things here. So I would have to change a little bit the subwave count, but basically what it means is that this yellow wave 1 was actually up here. Yeah, disregard the B and the C, but it would indicate, yeah, let me move that B and out. Let me take that out here. So it would be that was the wave 1 and we have done an A, that this was only the A, that this currently is the B and the C is still coming. Now, then we would have to expect lower prices. I also showed you that in the previous video. Just be prepared for it, okay? It would also be in the bullish scenario, wouldn't really have a major impact, but it would then mean that we come down to certainly 22.2k, the 38.2% FIB level, possibly the 21.6k level, which is the 50% FIB level. From here, however, we should see a swift recovery. Yeah, we should not substantially go below this 21.9k level. That is this wave 1 here. Substantially means we go below it and we don't recover quickly again. Yeah, and this is sort of what I'm looking out for. It could even drop a bit lower. That would just be a wave 2. It can drop lower, but the lower we go, the more it brings us back to the bearish scenario. For now, yeah, we can give it the benefit of the doubt, I think, because the system here, or the count, hasn't been invalidated. So we go with this. A, B, C. Up here, that was also the moment when I made you aware that we are probably on the lookout to the downside here, on the move to the downside. Yeah, that this is going to start, which it did. Yeah, to below 22.9k. Now, where are we now? So this could very simply just be in this third wave now in yellow. Yeah, this could have just been here a wave 1 and the 2, and we could now start the wave 3. And again, best indication for that would be a move above 23.3k. So let's take a look at the bearish scenario, which still is at play here. It assumes that we are in this bear flag, even though that we're currently finding support above the bear flag. So it looks like we broke out to the upside. From an Elliott Wave point of view, there are a couple of possibilities. The main one here that I have on the chart is that this is a WXYXZ pattern. The Z wave would be finished here up at 24.3K, and we moved then down impulsively in a wave 1. This is now a wave 2, could be finished already. Best indication that this one is finished would be a move below 22.3K, and then we're heading further down. And I think best evidence, that we are really going lower from here and will make a lower low is probably a move here below. Yeah, what did I say here? That is the 88.7% fib level. Yeah, if we go below 19.4K or 19.5K, that would be the best evidence that indeed we are in the bearish scenario. And then of course, let's say breakout point would be that 18.9K level, after which we would see 18.6 and then probably head down here. So that's currently not the primary expectation, but it still has quite a high probability of 40%, whereas the bullish one has 60%. And this is currently how I see the market with Bitcoin. So hopefully you like the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.